Hi, I'm Myléne Hillam from Resin Made Simple online classes.
If you found your way to this video, no doubt you're looking for a way to clean up some cured resin. If you've dripped resin on your kitchen counter like I have here, don't despair, it can be removed. I'm going to show you how I cleaned cured resin off my laminate. The trick is to warm the resin up a bit before trying to scrape it off, and a heat gun is great for this. Now I want to warn you, you don't want to overdo the heat by concentrating it in one spot for too long because you can scorch laminate. So I'm just warming the area in general, and now that the resin is warmed up, I can use my utility knife to get the blade under the edge of the resin so I can peel it off, and with a bit of patience it removes quite easily. I'm using really light pressure so I don't scratch the laminate with the blade. I also tried using my fingernails because every artist knows fingers are the best tools. So I keep working away at the resin from different angles. You really can't rush this process. You just have to take your time and work away at the edges to lift the resin. You can see small pieces of the resin are coming away slowly but surely. I want you to see that the resin can be completely removed, so I've sped up the video here. I'm just repeating the process using the heat gun to warm the resin and the knife to scrape it away. I might mention that it's a whole lot easier to clean up drips like this with rubbing alcohol or methylated spirits or acetone whilst the resin's still wet, but sometimes you don't notice the drips until they've dried, so knowing that you can still remove it with a little bit of heat is really helpful. Even the thin smears of resin can be completely removed by scraping away gently. Of course, if the drips are on your clothes, it's going to be a permanent feature, and the best way to look at it is not that you've ruined an outfit, but that now you have a resin uniform to wear every time you resin. Anyway, now you can see that it was a relatively easy and painless procedure to clean it off. Fingers crossed that you can scrape off your spill too. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it the thumbs up and subscribe so you get notified each time I upload a new resin tip. Thanks for watching.